hoes when I'm Puerto Rocks. I played the motherfucking club. We ain't sweating my phone is pawn. Watch out the top when I'm on the dock. See different hoes.
What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to another vlog. It's your boy Eric here with TXI Garage. In this video, guys, I just want to tell you guys this may be the last time you guys are gonna see this Pontiac on my channel, because basically we've been working on it for the past 3 months and now it's actually going back to its original owner. But it's been very fun having this car on this channel, but we may have it back, we may not, but I don't know. But as of right now, this may be the last thing that we do for this car. Today in this video, me and Tuck are actually going to be working on the steering wheel column, and we're going to be trying to make the honk work. So no further ado, let's get into the video.
All right, go ahead. Just try to scratch it right on there. You might have to get it to where it's a little more silvery. I'll scratch some metal off. Yeah, you guys got to ground these like right to there. Actually get this thing a honking. There's 3 of them. That's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 of them, but it's 4 pins, so one of them's got 2. Yeah, this one's got 2 pins on it there. Okay. That one. Okay. What we got to do here is we got to figure out this one. See here, you got to hold this. Open the door. You got to hold this on one of these wires sticking out of the horn. You see the wires?
Uh-huh.
Scratching it around. Let me wiggle this. See, that one I don't seem to have much contact with.
Try the other one.
Tried the 2. I'll try this one again. Nothing. We touch these together. Yeah. Okay. Try it again. There it is. Okay, let's see which one it is now. Do it again. Okay, I got it. So that's the trigger one. Okay, mark that with this.
It's hot out here, boy. Yo, what up, young man? We're doing good, brother. Yeah, man.
Getting out of here. I'll go down to the walkway there.
Oh yeah.
Carefully.
Yeah.
There's plenty of room to. Good to see you.
Yes,
Your
sir.
name again?
Eric.
Eric.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
try to remember. I have bad memory.
You're good, brother.
Smoke a lot of dope, my friend.
Yeah, yeah, it's all good, man. That bike is
I always
still.
have problems with memories.
Listen, that's
know?
how it is, bro.
And listening is part of the problem too. And I'm deaf on a motherfucker. Kind of been in my own world for a while.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely got to do it, bro.
You're doing some picture and camera.
Oh yeah, doing the YouTube again.
What I'm doing, I'm going to turn this one loose.
Oh, okay. Okay, you already put it online?
No.
Not yet.
I've given it away though.
Oh, you giving it away? Okay.
I give them all away. That's the best one. One of the best ones I ever made.
You made that?
Yeah.
Hell no.
Hell yeah.
Let me check that out.
In the potter.
Damn, bro. That's dope.
Don't put my face in there, please.
Nah, I got you.
And then minty.
Wow. That's pretty dope, man. How long it took you to make it?
Couple 3 hours on the wheel. And then another month or so to finish up the other processes. This is the high
cool.
burner piece.
Wow. That's pretty dope.
It has nice colored features everywhere. See, that's me.
Oh, okay. Signature. And he giving this one away. Wow.
Yeah, it's one of the better pieces I've made. It could have been even more better, but there's always room for improvement. No matter how good you get at something, right?
Always, always, bro.
You gotta keep on improving.
Hell yeah. Dang, that's dope, man. Potter. You got a real deal Potter out here, man.
Yeah.
Sliding. He's not even playing with y'all. He's pulling up in a BMW. Not playing with you.
Beat up and old like me.
She still be riding, man. I heard you coming. I was like, damn, there he goes.
Coming or going.
Oh, yeah. Hey, let me see. I'm about to run this to Tut real quick.
Good luck.
Working on the Pontiac and a little bit. You can see inside, like, wow. Here it is, y'all boys. Working on the hump right now. We actually just put this shit back together. This shit was broken. The other piece is on the inside of the shop. Show y'all that in a minute. Wow. This is a classic, y'all boys. There she is, y'all boys. Check out this here. Broke out of him Toyota GT Celic. We just did a little paint job on his hood a few weeks ago. He ain't washed it yet. Got a little sunroof on it too. A little wing. Come on, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. Looking good. I ain't gonna go all the way to the front.
Yeah.
It's good enough.
Yes,
right
she
here.
is.
So there you go, guys. If you stay till the end, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. I really appreciate that. I just want to tell you guys, thank you for watching the videos. I've been seeing you guys watching the videos, and definitely subscribe if you haven't. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe down below, and leave me a comment or two. All right. So thank you for watching the videos again, and you guys have a great day. Peace.
Top when I'm on the block. See different hoes, switch different hoes when I'm quarter rocks. I played the motherfucking club. We ain't sweating. Pawn. I drop the top when I'm